Hey everyone, we have a TLS caliper kit finished up today. Customer also sent in his factory rear calipers for a color match. These are spec'd for our Honda S2000 fitment. Powder coat color is Illusion Red. So we rebuilt the rears. The front calipers are modded for direct bolt-on. These are Acura TL Type S type calipers, and include all new hardware, mounting bolts. We include a set of decals to complete the look. Our kit is pricing does include powder coating, any color of your choice. Some colors will incur additional fees if we have to acquire the powder coat material. Looking at $25. Get any color you want. Thousands of colors out there. You can get exactly what you want. And again, we powder coated the rears and rebuilt those to match the fronts. Obviously, we can do this if you want to send in your rear brakes for an additional fee, or limit the downtime on the car. We can just basically get a reman set of rears and get those done for you. Check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order the TLS caliper kit on our website and reach out to us if you want the rears matched as well, and pricing and options for that as well. Thanks.